What's up, you guys? It's been a while. Happy New Year, right? So we got another awesome mod for the truck. Can you guys guess what it is? If you've been following me from back in the day when I had my STI, you'll know all about this. Let's get a look at it. What? COBB Accessport for the Toyota Tacoma? Dang. So yeah, I got this for Christmas, and I've been wanting one of these again ever since my STI. If you guys know anything about COBB, they specialize in tuning, and they have a programmer that you can plug into your truck. Comes with already has tunes and everything downloaded on the programmer, and it's a easy install, easy to switch maps and put new ones on your truck or Subaru or anything like that. But yeah, there's the COBB Accessport. We're gonna get this thing installed, and I'll show you a little bit of it, when it's plugged in, what it does. It goes in the OBD2 connector. So you can use COBB's preloaded tunes that are on this, and it gives 30 wheel horsepower on the Toyota Tacoma. It's pretty awesome. It'll change the whole way the truck drives. Guarantee it. You can use the already maps that it comes with on it, or you can go to a COBB Pro Tuner on a Mustang dyno and get it even more custom tune for your vehicle. I'm hoping that they'll come out with more tunes for the Toyota Tacoma right now, like with an intake, full exhaust, stuff like that. It'll be pretty cool later on down the road what COBB offers. But yeah, I'm gonna get this installed for you guys and show you all that. So here's everything that comes in the box when you buy the COBB Accessport. You got the OBD connector, plugs straight into the Accessport at the bottom. This plug right here, wire, is part of the initial process to install the Accessport to your Tacoma. But yeah, let's get it plugged in. All right, let's get this installed. I'm going to be running the 87 octane, so I'll just put it on that for now. Once I get rid of the 87 octane gas in my truck, I'll switch it to the 91 map. But yeah, let's go through all the maps that are pre-installed on this. So here's stage 1, 91 octane or higher. Dang, 93, that's the most power you'll get out of this, or higher octane. But yeah, we're going to put it on 87 octane. Install is done. Please turn the ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds. And that's it, you guys. We'll just put together, back the door seal and all that, and plug everything and test it out. And I'll show you more of the Accessport, all the controls and gauges you can look at, which is pretty awesome.